Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the upper symbol in your keyboard. The Shift key is a fundamental tool for typing, enabling you to access a second set of characters on many keys. You'll find two Shift keys on most keyboards, one on the left and one on the right, making them easily accessible with either hand. By simply holding down one of these keys and pressing another, you unlock a whole new range of typing possibilities, from capital letters to special symbols. Typing uppercase letters is one of the most common uses for the Shift key. To do this, simply hold down either the left or right Shift key with one finger, and then press the letter key you wish to capitalize with another. This technique is perfect for starting sentences or for specific acronyms. However, if you need to type an entire word or several words in all capital letters, remember that the Caps Lock key is designed for that purpose, saving you from continuously holding Shift. Beyond capital letters, the Shift key is essential for accessing the upper symbols found on many keys. Look closely at your keyboard, and you'll notice that keys like the number row often have a symbol printed above the number. For instance, to type an exclamation mark, you hold Shift and press the number 1 key. Similarly, the $sign is accessed by holding Shift and pressing the number 4. This principle applies to a wide array of punctuation and special characters, greatly expanding your typing capabilities. The Shift key's utility extends far beyond basic typing, playing a crucial role in many keyboard shortcuts. For example, pressing Shift and Tab together allows you to navigate backward through fields or elements on a web page. When combined with the arrow keys, Shift enables precise text selection, letting you highlight exactly what you need. Be aware that using Shift with the Delete key can permanently remove files, so always exercise caution with this powerful combination. It's a versatile key for both efficiency and control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.